Okay, good morning, everybody. Once again, it's surprise GMC maintenance time. So what's going on with it now? Well, the last couple of nights driving, I was wondering why I couldn't see very well, and well, it turns out that there's a burnt out bulb in it. So if you're wondering why I didn't think that right away, it's because, well, it's winter time here. And every now and then you just get a lot of buildup of snow and stuff on the lens. So, considering this is a GMC, and also considering there's like two ways to do this, three potential ways to get these bulbs out. It's not the typical way where you just pull the headlight assembly out and change it. Nah, that'd be too easy. So, GMC and their masters of engineering decided that, well, does my year have the nice access panel in the wheel well, or am I taking that wheel well, inner fender I should say, out, or moving it off to the side? I didn't bother to look. I'm prepared for complete disappointment. You and I are going to see this for the first time, so I know. At first glance, I see there's a lot of snow and ice buildup in there, so let's pray I see a little access panel, because I'm not in the mood to be taking this crap apart. So, here we go. Let's see what I got. There's the access panel. Yay. This shouldn't take me long at all. I just got to clear that snow out of there. So, give me a few minutes, I'll be back. Alright, that didn't take long. So, there's supposed to have been a T20 screw in here. It appears from what I can see that it's been broken off. So, let's hope that that just turns and comes right out of there. So, I don't know how I'm going to be able to keep this light on here and show you guys and keep you guys on camera. Came right off there. And now, somewhere in there, there's access to. So somewhere up in there is another cover for this. So I'm gonna have to set you guys down and kind of let you know how this goes, because I can't really keep you guys in there to see what's going on. But there's another cover, kind of like that one, that you gotta take off, and there's your bulb. So, okay, so I got the bulb in right there. Now, what a smart person should do before they do anything is, look at it, turn it on before you put everything back in, to make sure that it's actually good bulb. The package that came with the vehicle was open already, and by looking at the elements, it looked okay, but I'm wondering why the package was open. So I'm going to set you down, see if they come on. So, as you all saw, the light did not come on. Guess I gotta investigate further. Stay tuned. Alright, so I'm back after doing my my investigations as far as why that wasn't working. Well, the bulbs that the guy had put in the glove box, they were all bad. Went to the store, picked up new ones, which is the H11 55 watt bulb for the low beams. And what's really strange is that the H11 bulbs are also for the fog lights. So anyway, moral of that story is, I guess if you find random bulbs in a glove box of a vehicle you buy, they're probably not good. But then again, especially when the package is open, that should be a lesson there. So, alright, show you guys that this works fine now. That one's working. That one's working. So, excellent. Another job well done. And I appreciate you guys tuning in, seeing this kind of stuff going on with me. And all of this crap in the background, I'm sure you noticed and is wondering, maybe you're wondering, what the heck's going on. We had a bathroom remodel, and there's a lot of crap here. So that's that. The product review that I was going to do next, I think I'm going to put that one off for a bit because I need the snow to go away. I need color, I need vibrancy outside. So it'll be a bit for that one, guys. So until then, I wanted to give you all an update on this on the oil catch can here. I read that this hose here that comes out of the manifold, replace it because it's not big enough. Well, no, it works just fine. All you need to do is just heat the hose up so it expands and it pushes right over that nipple down there. I've had this in here for maybe a week and a half now. I have not noticed anything in there yet. So I don't know if this is actually really working or not. So when I see something going on with it, I'll update you guys. Until the next time, see you guys soon. Have a great day.